All right, so good day today at the trading desk. One and done at the open. So I know I have two trades here, one on the S&P 500, one on the Nasdaq, but they're both the same. This and this. So we are going to turn all the Nasdaq only. Now, today was CPI news, and this is the 15-minute candle. News candle. So I had my, data highs, data lows, I'm sorry, also on the S&P, on the Nasdaq. So that was okay, I guess. I woke up late today, right at the open, 7:30 a.m., 9:30 New York. So I waited for the opening range to set both on the S&P 500 and both on the Nasdaq. Now, the order flow was bearish, right? I was looking at the 15-second chart. Here we go. Let me just delete everything. So 15-second chart. This was the pre-market on what? Order cancel on what? Yeah, so apparently I had an order placed. It doesn't matter. So this is the pre-market highs. I'm gonna call it the pre-market highs because the actual data highs, were taken. Also on the Nasdaq, calling this pre-market highs, data highs were taken. So no trade on the data highs. Right. So, like I said, I waited for the opening range to settle. That a lot of traders just got screwed at the open, um, by that bearish move. That was horrendous. I mean, who trades like that? I don't know. But here it is. All right. So I waited for the 15-minute opening range to settle right here. And after the break of this opening range, I was looking for a short. Same here on the Nasdaq. Now, the first one that I was looking at was shorts on the S&P 500. I was looking to on the S&P 500 to take profits at the data lows. I wanted to target all my shorts either on the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq, those data lows, the true data lows. So I shorted the S&P 500 on a trade that I didn't really like a ton. And when price just failed to move below this previous structure high, I just closed my trade and focused on a possible short on the Nasdaq. So this is the same thing, bearish order flow, and we broke with the opening range lows. Now, what I did like about this is that about both of this possible shorts, either on the S&P 500 or on the Nasdaq, is that there was a lot of room for profits towards those opening data lows. This line right here on the S&P 500 and this line right here on the Nasdaq. So that was my target for any possible short position. So because I took this S&P 500, I was looking at possible shorts, but the S&P 500 just failed to bounce from the opening range lows. So I disregarded this. Now, I didn't flip long because that made absolutely no sense at all. Um, you know, um, uh, Flipping long here whilst the Nasdaq was lagging below the opening range. So what happened here is that the Nasdaq gave me the opportunity to profit from an opening range bounce short. Um, bearish order flow, like we said, and I enter short at this candle close, right? This 15-second candle close. I mean, the opening goes very, very fast. So I took a short at this candle close. It didn't quite broke with the structure low right here, but it most definitely gave me enough bearish evidence to short it at the close, engulfing the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles and breaking with the pullback structure. That was good enough. 2 out of 3 confluence for me. And I enter one. I enter half of my position. Uh, Actually, you know what? I think I entered. Um, Oh, right. My entry was when this 15-second candle broke with the overall structure. So, I mean, 3 out of 3 confluences. I took half of my position here and half at the data lows as intended. And then, just price just moved up towards all-time high. So very nice trade. Um, Still on the green.